So what we're going to be doing today is going through Tactical Pistol 2. How does that differ from our Tactical Pistol 1? You're going to find we're doing a lot more shooting and moving, a lot more stress drills. Today we're going to be doing everything as far as lateral movements, moving forward, moving backward while continually engaging targets, as well as doing exercises, drills where we're moving from one position of cover to another. And we're traversing distance as safely and as efficiently as possible, utilizing that cover, presenting out on each side, engaging our targets effectively. We're actually going to take our shooters all the way back to about 45-50 yards and slow, well-aimed fire. So we're tying together the speed aspect, the smoothness, the presentation, as well as the marksmanship, the accuracy. Because if you can hit a small 4x4 chest plate at 45-50 yards with a pistol, then coming up here 15 yards and in, it'd be like shooting the side of a barn door. So again, Tactical Pistol 2, it's going to be more dynamic, a little more stress, but a lot more fun.
Right. Right. Hit. And step on
Essentially putting weight forward so I can clear the barricade without exposing. I'm presenting maybe a little bit forward to the barricade. Good, now we're moving. Good, now we're moving.